Hello guys, sanibonani and welcome back to my channel. Today asikhulumeni ngoThozamile Daki, the sugarcane killer. uThozamile Daki watalwa 1971 eMajola. Ama-victims wakhe la bekavamise ukuthi uhlukubeta bona bekuba abantu besifazane around age of 18 to 25 years old. Wabulala abantu besifazane labayi-13. Bekanokuthi ahehe bafati or abesifazane ngemathuba emisebenzi guys. Abatshele ukuthi hayi bo kunamathuba emisebenzi kuphi kuphi kuyaqashwa. Abe asho lapho kulamaplazi lafuna ukubabulalela khona. Once umfati wavuma ukuthi bahlangane, uyothi uma bafika lapha abarobhe kwasani, athathe imali, athathe yonke into ayiphethe nefoni. After lapho sotokhetha ukuthi uyakubulala or uyakureyipha or wentani. Kwathi kusenjalo kwanothiswa ukuthi hayi bo wayengathi la masimini emoba ngiko la uTaki asebentela khona. Cause la masimu emoba ona beka around eMzinto, KwaZulu Natal and bekunala abahlanyela khona litiya near ne-Post Jones e-Eastern Cape. Amanye ama-reports ayaveta ukuthi lamanye ama-victim atholakala angasanama-parts ngoba bathi uTaki bekawahamba ayowamikisa kuma-traditional healer ukuthi for ini nathi asazi, but bathi bekawathatha lawo ma-parts awajube awamikise etinyangeni. Here's the timeline yokuthi kahle kahle lobu bugebengu bakhe wabucala kuphi njani. Taki waqala kubulala bafati 2007 lapho bekaba-attract-a khona ngokubathembisa umsebenzi nakasuka lapha barobhe into letinjalo. September 24, 2007 waboshwa around 2 ekuseni eDurban after ba-track-e ifoni yaloyo omunye labekamthathele yona walabanye wama-victims wakhe, and lapho wa-charge-wa ngokuthi ubulele bekanesibhamu lesingekho emthethweni, and lokho kushona kwaloyo-ke kwabe sekuhlanganisa laba bafati labayi-13. 2008 waya e-court ukuva ukuthi kwenzakalani. That was i-High Court appearance lapho beyingo-May 2008. Lapho ama-proceedings bekahlelwe ukuthi atocala ekuqaleni kweminyaka. Mara at this stage besekafeyisane nema-charges layi-13 e-murder and related robbery charges. Bese khona lapho le co-accused yakhe uHlengiwe Nene was charged with the accessory. July 30, 2009 yaqala i-trial. Yathi mayiqala i-trial umagistrate wase-court KwaZulu Natal washo angene endzabeni. Waprosecutor kwase kusenjalo kwatholakala ubufakazi nema-belongings alama-victims abekawabulala, especially amafoni ngiwo la bese kuba ngiwo la ngathi ahamba phambili kuleli sesho leli. February 21, 2010 wazama ukubaleka, the time avalelwe eWestville Prison lapho yena Taki nalabanye baboshiwe bawa phansi from ku-4th floor emathayileni bayowela phansi. Lapho wabese uba nema-injury lamatima kabi bese lokuqhubeka kwe-trial yakhe kwadileywa kancane. Yathi uma seyidileye kancane April yabuyela back e-court indzaba yakhe yaqhubeka. Ngo-March 2010 ngathi maku-postpone ngale trial yaTaki bathi bebalinze ukuthi aqale aphole so that atokhona ukuchubeka nemsebenzi lo kumele awende kumele bambuthetele on. 23 December 2010 watholakala a-guilty kuma-counts layi-13 ekubulala, ama-counts layi-13 armed robbery. Lasho nelijaji ukuthi yo leli engikwenta namuhla la ngathi ngeke kuphele namanje. January 19, 2011 wasenthenzwa 13 life sentences, one for each murder. Lama 13 life sentences bekungiloyo ukuthi wabulala. Yep. And then 208 additional years for the armed robberies. Imagine. Lapho bamngetela na-220 years. Babuye bathi 16 years per count. Lo vele akasayenzanga akabuyi. Lijaji labuye lasho ukuthi hayibo, wena ngathi awubonakalisi nokuthi isola kule nto lo oyenzile. U-relaxed futhi awungenelani. May 2011 ima-victims afoliswa ahamba ayongcwatshwa cause bahamba bese babagubha bese bayabangcwaba. Amagama abo ilawa lalandzelako: Makhosi Mgobodzi, Noxolo Mpande, Nosisa Nozozo, Charity Khumalo, Charity Mthethwa, Rose Mjoli, Khanyisile Nqayiyane, Thandeka Mthembeni, Nonjabulo Happiness Mpanza, Philisiwe Mpanza, Nombali Ngcobo, Thandazile Bhokoda and Nasizwe Chongayi. So guys, ngolama victims lawa la abulawa uTaki lapho wawashiya le akawashiye khona without any remorse, cause bowumbona noma vela lapha ecourt ukuthi lo ulinze ukuthi lijaji liqethe so that asekhona kubuyela phakathi. Guys, asathi ukuthi impilo isuka seyiqhamuke kanjani uma ngabe umntwana kade okhula akhethe kuba labantu labanesihluku njengaye. That's the end of our today's video. Please like, comment and subscribe. Ngidonibona ku video elandelayo. Bye.